So we have discussed in the earlier video of our program to design an application using the Bluebox radio buttons and checkbox. So let us continue this. Before that, let us change this property of the foreground to the also to the background, foreground or background. So let us apply this particular function, foreground and background function. So we have only changed, let us run this application first and see. We have only changed the font color to foreground property only. The foreground of the property will be changed by default, either red to green, red or to. So this is changed only foreground. Okay, let us write some code to change the background property of this also. So for that what we have to do, let us double click this particular window, sorry, that particular control. What is that control code? Checkbox control, and write some code, put some code into this. Okay, if checkbox 1, so now when checkbox 1 is selected, for that what is the property we will use? Check. If checkbox 1 dot check, which means that if checkbox 1 is selected and along with that radio button 1 is selected, so selected means checked, then what we should write? Then what we should write? Label property. What is the label we have written there? Welcome. What we have written in that? Labels background. Because in the other video we have set the foreground. So let us change the background. To which color it should be changed? It should be changed to red color. So we have already different colors here. Let us search for the red, and you need not to search, you can just type it. But I just wanted to show you. That's why I'm just select. So color dot red. Else if consider else if checkbox 1 is selected along with checkbox 1 checked. Checked is the property for selected. Okay. Checkbox 1 is selected and along with that if radio button 2 is selected. So radio button 1 property we have written. So if radio button 2 is selected, then what we should write? Label's color should be changed to a different color. Label 1 dot back color is equal to which color now? Color dot green. So let us search for a green here. B E F G green. Let's set the green. Else if one more radio button is left, so let us write another else if. Else if checkbox 1 dot checked and radio button, say I'm just drag selected dot checked, which is already there. Radio button 3 is checked. Then what property should be set for label? Label 1 dot back color is equal to which color is left? Color dot blue. So blue will be found somewhere very near. Color dot blue. So this is how we are going to set the colors. Let us just run and see. So red is selected. When I select this along with that foreground and background red. So when I select this, first foreground is changing. Again select and deselect it. If multiple times we are make, then the color is completely changed. Again red. So font is changed. If I want this to be changed, let me again press this. So again blue. Only the font is changed. We again deselect and select it. Entirely it is changed foreground and background to the thing. So our properties are applied here. Okay, now what else we have to do? We have to design. Few more designing is left. So again, let us go to the toolbox. From the toolbox, let us select the containers. From the containers, let us say take another group box. We have only changed the colors. Now let us just select this. Let us change the size of the font also. Let us just select the size group box 2 and start typing. Automatically the text property will be changed. So I've now selected this text. I just selected this and changed this. By default text property is changed. Now here I will drag and drop the 3 radio buttons again. drag and drop, radio button 4. Again, drag and drop, radio button 5. Again, one more button, radio button 3. Okay, so 4, 5, 6. So these are the radio buttons. Let me just select and write. The font of radio button 4 should be 10. For this should be 25. For 6 should be 30. So this is the font. I have to change this welcome, increase the size of this welcome to whichever font size I have mentioned there. Just bring it little down. Okay, now let us start writing the code for radio button 4. So when I select a radio button 4, how the code should be changed. So if radio button 4, it is already there. Radio button 4 dot checked, which means that radio button 4 is selected. Then what should be there? Label 1 dot size should be, which size it should be? Radio button 4 dot size. 4 dot size. Okay, so now I have to tell to which size it should be changed. Okay, for that what will I do? I'll just create a variable. So dim, in Visual Basic you have to use dim keyboard in order to create a variable. Dim my size. Also which size I want to, my size as is the keyword. You have already seen this in the class, how should we create a variable. Integer, my size as integer. So again get back. Label 1 dot size is equal to radio button 4 dot size. Then what should we do? We should set the my size to 10. Okay, I set the my size to 10. Then after setting that, label 1 dot font. So this is also label 1 dot font should be, here we are using the new keyword. New system, sorry, system dot drawing. System dot drawing is a method which I am calling to change the font. System dot font. So to which size I am changing it? To my size I am changing. What is the value of my size? It is 10. So now I have set the font size to my size, that is 10. Okay, so this is the code for radio button 4. So whenever radio button 4 is selected, along with that, the font size will be increased to 10. This welcome. Next, for radio button 5, let us do the same. If radio button 4 is selected. Selected means what you, which property you should insert? Checked property. Then what should we do? Again, we are going to create a variable my size here. My size as integer, as integer. Then label 1 dot size is equal to radio button. Actually, we have to use radio button 5 dot size. What should be my size here? My size is equal to 20. Okay, and now label should be changed. Label 4, sorry, label 1 dot size is equal to, again new to the, it should be set to the new size. To which new size? From the system dot drawing dot font. The font to be my size. Okay, let's put it back. Okay, my size. Something went wrong. label 1 dot, sorry, not font, it should be size, it should be font is equal to label 1 dot font is equal to new system dot drawing dot font size. Okay, done. Now let us do the same thing for the radio button 6. So what will I do? I'll just copy and paste it here. Control C and Control V. Okay, now since I'm writing it for the radio button 6, actually here it should be radio button 5. Okay, because I'm applying the property to the radio button 5. So here this is radio button 6, again the 6 here. Okay, now everything is changed here. The size should be of 30. I hope everything is done which I should do. Now let me just check it. Run the content. So it is foreground and background, both are changed to this. Again, when I selected green, as I said, it is only foreground properties applied. I have to deselect it, again select it, so that the both property for both foreground and background is set to green. Again red, and again blue I am selecting. See, the foreground is blue. Again I select and deselect it, it is completely changed. Again green I am selecting. Sorry, again red I am selecting. So changing the size of the text. Okay, so what blue is what horrible to say. Red is okay. Okay, I changed the text. So this is how we have designed an application using the radio buttons, checkbox, and the group box. Okay, dear students, this is what for today, and we have completed the program that we have started. Part 2 is completed, and so the development and application to demonstrate the group box, radio buttons, and checkbox is completed now. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. Okay, you can post it in the chat window.